Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Turkish Dramas Notion. I hope you're doing great. Today, I'm here with an exciting list of the top 5 hate to love Turkish drama series of 2024. These dramas will take you on a roller coaster of emotions where hate transforms into heartwarming love. Let's jump right in. At number 5, we have If You Love. Turkish name, Yakok Seversin. This drama introduces Ates, a man who has no faith in love, and Leela, a cheerful and kind-hearted woman who sees the good in everything. When their paths cross, sparks fly, but not the romantic kind, at least not at first. Their differences lead to clashes, but soon, they begin to understand and care for one another. Can Ates overcome his emotional barriers, or will his fears keep him from true happiness? Watch If You Love to witness a heartfelt story of personal growth and romance. At number 4, we have Golden Boy. Turkish name, Yal Cap. This popular series revolves around Ferit, a reckless and carefree man who is forced into an arranged marriage with Seyran, a principled young woman from a humble background. The tension between them is palpable, as their worlds couldn't be more different. But as they navigate the challenges of their new life together, they begin to find common ground and eventually, love. Will their relationship survive the weight of family expectations and Ferit's troubled past? Watch Golden Boy to see why it's captured the hearts of so many fans. At number 3, we have Love Undercover. Turkish name, Ruhun Duaymaz. This drama is about Onur, a fearless undercover officer, on a mission to bring down a notorious criminal. Things take an unexpected twist when he meets ECE, the kind and innocent sister of his target. Their encounters are full of misunderstandings and mistrust, but as they spend more time together, deeper emotions begin to surface. Can their love survive the secrets and lies between them? Watch Love Undercover for a blend of suspense and romance. At number 2, we have Vermin Seni Elleri. Set against the backdrop of a quaint town, this drama follows the story of Zeynep, a young woman dreaming of a better life, and Ali, a city boy whose arrival stirs up her quiet world. Their initial meetings are marked by arguments and disagreements, but soon, sparks of affection begin to fly. However, with their contrasting dreams and lifestyles, can they find a way to make their love work? Don't miss Vermin Seni Elleri for a heartwarming journey of love and discovery. And finally, at number 1, we have Gulsemil. This gripping drama tells the story of Gulsemil, a man driven by vengeance, and Deva, the woman he blames for his pain. Their encounters are fiery and filled with animosity, but as they spend more time together, a different kind of emotion begins to grow. Will Gulsemil let go of his bitterness and embrace the love that could heal him? Or will his hatred destroy them both? Watch Gulsemil for an intense and emotional tale of love and redemption. Thank you for watching. If you loved this list, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow drama lovers, and subscribe to my channel, Turkish Dramas Notion. I'll be back soon with more recommendations. Take care and happy watching.